Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Teacher.
Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
What we learned in the previous
Good
class?
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, children. Children, what we learned in previous class? Anyone from the class? What we learned in previous class? Who will say? Tell me, Kadir.
Jackson, ma'am.
Text and math.
Morning, ma'am.
Very good. Now we are moving to the new chapter, which is nothing but cards and wheels. Okay, children. Can anyone say what are the basic shapes? What are the basic shapes?
Shape.
Who will say, ma? What are the basic shapes? Tell me. Devira, tell me.
Circle, triangle, square, rectangle.
Very good. Rectangle, square, triangle and circle. These are the basic shapes. In this class, we are going to learn about circle. We are going to learn about circle. Okay. So that means what are the properties of the circle? First of all, what is a circle? Okay. Parts of circle. Everything we will learn in this class. Okay, children. So then, why they gave the name for this chapter, cards and wheels? Any guess? What is the reason that the name of the chapter is cards and wheels? Anyone from the class?
Amma?
Any guess, ma? Any guess? Why the chapter name is cards and wheels? Any guess? Okay then. Here, yes. Here, what is the shape of the wheel? What is the shape of the wheel?
Circle.
Circle. So, because of the wheels are in the shape of circle, so this chapter name is given as cards and wheels. Okay, children? Now, here is an activity for you. Identify and bring round objects in your surroundings.
Good morning, ma'am.
All of you here listen to me carefully. Identify and bring round objects in your surroundings. So last time you brought the packets to me, liquid form. Okay. So now you have to bring the round objects. The objects in the shape of circle. Come on, bring. Make it fast. Within 2 minutes. The objects in the shape of round. Go and bring. You can find so many objects, ma. Try. Yeah, Samuel brought, I think so. Where is he? Yeah, Samuel, show me.
Ma'am.
Samuel, show me, ma. What is that? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, ball.
Ball. Very good. Ball. Next, who brought, ma? Joy.
Yes, teacher.
What is that?
It's for neck pain, ma'am.
So neck pain. So the shape of that it is, the shape of the object is round. Okay. Next, Amrita.
And a bangle.
Amrita. Yes. Bangle. Joy. Very good. Amrita. Show me, ma.
Ma'am, bangle, ma'am.
Amrita, where you are? Next, who brought, ma? Abhi is showing something to me. Abhi, what is that?
Lotion. Lotion.
Lotion.
Lotion.
The shape of the tin is in circle. Okay. Next, Khadir, ball. Satvik Yadav, very good. What you brought? Satvik, what is that? What is that, Satvik? So, object in Satvik's hand is in the shape of round, circle. But he couldn't speak louder. Okay then. Devira? Devira?
I bought the box.
Bowl. Okay, very good. Pranavi brought ball. And Laina also? Ball, bangle. Very good. Next, Pratibha? Yeah, bangle. Okay, then one plate. So, Sharanya, show me, ma. Unmute yourself, Sharanya. Amrita brought bangle. Yes, bangle. Vaishnavi, what about you? Grishma, I asked the object in shape of round, not in rectangle. Okay, ma? Okay, well done. Very good. So many of you brought bangle. Sharanya, Amruta, next some people, Laina, Joy, all of them brought bangle. Okay, children. Here you can see some objects in shape of circle. In shape of circle. Children, can you name the objects here? What is the first one? Button. It is in the shape of circle. Next, 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coins, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. These also in shape of circle. And what is this? What you had today? What is the breakfast for you children? Laina, tell me.
Dosa, ma'am.
Dosa. So what is its shape?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. So some biscuits also you have in form of circle and chapati, clock, tire, wheel, lollipop. How many of you love lollipop? How many of you eat lollipop? Yeah, Laina, Abhi, Pratibha, Vaishnavi also, Pranavi, very good. Okay. So lollipop, pizza. Pizza is what? We add that junk food. Okay. So pizza, plate, bangles, all are circular images. These all are circular images that we can see in our day-to-day life. Okay. So many objects are there. These are the some objects. Okay, children? This is our topic. What is our topic, ma? Carts and wheels. Once observe the wheels of the cart and carts here, ma. So all are in shape of circle. All are in shape of circle. Okay. Next. Here is an activity for you. I think so. You will enjoy these activities. Let us see the first activity. Trace circles of different sizes using bangles, coins, bottle cap, etc. Circular objects which you can find in your surroundings. This activity you have to do in your classwork. What you have to do? First, give the heading of carts and wheels. Okay? Give the heading of carts and wheels, chapter number 8. And then here write the activity 1 there. Activity 1, write this. Okay. And then you have to trace different circular objects in your classwork. Okay, ma? And then what you have to do? Color the smallest circle with red and the biggest with green. So from the objects, from the circular objects, after you trace, you will get some circles there. Okay, children. From those circles, you have to circle the smaller circle, red color, and the bigger circle, green color. Okay, children. Next, activity 2. Observe your surroundings and list any 5 things which can be used to draw a circle. So, already we collected some objects for the activity 1. You have to write those names. Yes, very good. Bangle, Vaishnavi, very good. Coin, Pranavi, bangle, coin, Grishma also brought bangle. Okay, shall we go for the next activity? Activity
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
A bangle can be used to trace a circle. All of us know that. So here I also having some bangles with me. Okay. So we know that clearly. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. And you have to write what are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? Children, mostly these 3 are nearby activities. If you do one properly, the remaining 2 activities, you can do it very easily.
Ma'am, and level also will teach it.
Who is that, ma'am? Yeah. Yeah, this is our textbook. Okay, ma? Cards and wheels. Observe the pictures here. Observe the pictures here. Children, once see the games here. Games with circles. Once see the games. Did you remember when you have games period, always you are going to play this game? What is this game, ma? Girls, so many, they are always playing this game. Samhita, tell me.
What, ma'am?
What is this game, ma? Can you identify the game here?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Coco.
Oh,
Coco.
observe properly.
Coco only, ma'am.
It is not Coco. The game you will sit in circle and you will play with one handkerchief.
Yes, yes.
Okay, which is nothing but a handkerchief game. It is. We will call. Okay. So here, this is the another game. Okay. So in these games, we are using what we are using, ma? We are using circle. So we are sitting in circle, or we are standing in circles, and we will play the games. Okay. And here, once you can observe this clearly, why do we make a circle in each of these games? Why do we make a circle in each of these games? What is the reason, ma? In circle, all children get equal chance or an opportunity to play the game. Okay. Now, name some games that you play by making circles. Name some games that you play by making circles. Here you can observe some games. I hope you will enjoy the video here. So observe the games here now, which we are playing you in circle.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, always you are enjoying the game. Okay, And this is what? This is what?
Musical
Can you
chairs.
identify the game?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pratibha, tell me.
Musical chairs, ma'am.
Musical chairs. Very good.
Musical
In this musical chairs also, we use circle. We will keep the chairs in the circular mode and then we will play the game. Okay? Next, one more game we will see. Cat and mouse. So cat is trying to catch the mouse here. Okay? Next, one more game we will see. The dog and the bone game.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yeah, children, have you ever played the games? Did you enjoy the games?
No, ma'am.
Did you enjoy the games?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you play that?
Yes.
Ma'am, we enjoyed the game, but we didn't play the last game.
By seeing the video, you enjoyed the game, huh?
Dog and the phone game we didn't play.
But sometimes you also played in our playground those games. Did you remember the first game and the last game? Okay. Then so in these games, what you can see, commonly the circle. Students are sitting or standing in a circle, or they are playing using the circle. So these games are
Circle.
circular games which we use circle in these games. Okay, circle is what, ma? A circle is a closed figure made up of only one curved line. Circle has no corners and no edges. A circle is a, what we will say, closed plane. So it is a closed plane figure, each of whose points is lie at an equal distance from the fixed point. So that means from this point to any point on the circle, we will get equal distance. From this point to any point of the circle, we will get equal distance. So this fixed point is said to be center of the circle. Okay, ma? So now let us learn about circle. So we know that circle is a closed figure. Circle is a closed figure. Okay, ma? So I will show one thing to you. You can say me. What is this? What is this?
Circle.
Is a circle.
Circle, ma'am.
So here we are saying that here we have a center point. Okay. From this point to any point on the circle. From this point to any point on the circle, the distance is equal. From this point to any point of the circle, the distance is equal, and this point is said to be center of the circle. This point is said to be center of the circle. So here, then this is called circumference of the circle. The boundary of the circle is called circumference of the circle. Okay, ma? And the distance from the center to the any point on the circumference or any point on the circle is said to be radius. Is said to be radius. Okay, ma? Is said to be radius. And here, this is the circle. And here I have 2 points on the circle. And I want to join these 2 points. These 2 points, the line segment joins the 2 points on the circle is called curve. Is called curve. Okay. So here this is the center, we hope that. And then here I am taking one more curve. This is also a curve. Okay, ma'am. And this is also a curve. But the curve which is passing through the center, is said to be diameter. Is said to be diameter of the circle. Okay, ma'am. So here once observe that clearly this is the center of the circle. The point from the center to any point on the circle is called radius and is denoted by R. Center is denoted by O. Okay. Any capital letter we can use to denote these things. And the curve which is passing through the center. The curve which is passing through the center is said to be diameter. So this is diameter. Suppose here I am giving 2 points. Diameter AB is diameter, OB and OA are radius. Is it clear, ma'am? So this is circumference of the circle. This is circumference of the circle. So here, this we are saying that this is a circle. Okay. So how to find its center? How you will find its center, ma'am? We don't have any measurements. Okay. So what we have is just fold it. Okay. So this folding is dividing the circle into 2 equal parts. Each part is called semicircle. Each part is called semicircle.
Semicircle.
Diameter. This is the diameter. Diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Now we want to find the center. Again fold it exactly. Here observe that you can get an intersect point here. Common point. Okay. This is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Here what is the diameter, ma'am? This is diameter from here to here. From circumference to and the which is passing through center. The line segment which is passing through center and joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle is called diameter. Okay, children. And then here what happens? The diameter divides the circle into 4 equal parts. Each part is called quadrant. Each part is called quarter part of the circle. Quarter circle. Here semicircle. Here it is quarter circle. Okay, children. So now here. Here this is the circle. This is the center. What is the center I told you? 4. Okay. Here I am taking some 4 points on the circle. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, OB is called what? OB is called what? Anyone from the class? What is OB? What is OB, ma'am? OB is radius. OB is radius. Then what about?
Ma'am, we should write this in notebook.
No, ma. Later you can write. First listen to me. Okay. What is OA?
Okay, ma'am.
What is OA?
Radius.
OA also radius. Very good. So we have so many radius in a circle. So here also we can get a radius OC, OD also radius. If you take any point here, OP also radius. So radius is singular, whereas radii is plural. Radii, R-A-D-I-I, radii is plural. Okay, ma'am? Now, next. What about AB? What is AB? What is AB, ma'am?
AB is also radius.
No.
AB.
Observe that clearly. What is AB?
AB.
The line segment is passing through center. It is called
What?
diameter.
Diameter. Okay, okay.
AB is diameter. Now here I have 2 points. Okay. So what is CD, ma'am? CD is chord of the circle. CD is chord of the circle. Is it clear, children? Now, here we are saying that
Yes, ma'am.
OB is radius, OA is radius, and AB is diameter.
Diameter.
Okay. Now here we have a relation between diameter and radius. Here we have a relation. Once observe that what is the diameter? Here we are saying AB. So AB can be written as OA plus OB. Okay. This part plus this part. Can we write? OA plus what is OA? OA is radius. OB also radius. So 2 into radius. So diameter equals to 2 into radius. Twice the radius. Length of the diameter is equal to twice the.
Ma'am, can I mute myself?
Yeah, you can mute, ma'am. Diameter equals to twice radius. Then what about radius? What about radius, ma'am? Radius equals to diameter by 2. Half of the diameter. Radius means half. This is radius. This part is radius. Radius means half of the diameter. So radius, how will we write, ma'am? Radius equals to half into diameter. Or diameter by 2. Anything we can write. Both are same only. So diameter equals to 2 into radius. Radius equals to half of the diameter. Now using this, we will so here radius is given 4 centimeters. Find diameter. Okay, so we know that clearly diameter equals to 2 into radius. So 2 into radius, how much it is given, ma? 4 centimeters. So diameter equals to how much? 8 centimeters.
Diameter is
8 centimeters.
centimeters is equal to
Now,
diameter.
now for us given, diameter is given. Diameter equals to 16 centimeters. Then find radius. Then find radius. So radius equals to half of the diameter, we know that. Diameter by 2. So 16 by 2. How many times it will go, ma? 8 times. So radius is 8 centimeters. So what is the relation, ma? Relation between diameter and radius? Diameter equals to 2 into radius. Whereas if you want to find radius, half of the diameter. Is it clear, children? Here we have the circle. We don't have radius, but I want to find the circumference, length of the circumference. Okay, then how we will find? We will take a thread round that circle. After that, find its length using scale or tape. Okay, ma. So there we can find the circumference of the circle. Then how to draw the circle? I don't have radius. Okay, I don't have bangle with me. Then how we can draw a circle? Let us see how to draw a circle. See here, take a cardboard or thick paper. Okay, tie a thread to a pencil and the midpoint of the cardboard and trace it. Just slowly move the pencil. There you will get the circle. And the thread which you tie the pencil is said to be radius. This is called radius of the circle. Next, let us once recall the definitions. What is semicircle? I told you clearly what is semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. Half of the circle. A semicircle is half of a circle formed by cutting a whole circle along a line segment passing through the center of the circle. Then we know that the line segment is said to be diameter of the circle. The line segment is said to be diameter of the circle. Then what about quarter circle? A quarter circle is a quarter part of a circle formed by splitting a circle into 4 equal parts or a semicircle into 2 equal parts. A quarter circle is called quadrant. Here, this is the quarter circle. So, as we know, these are the parts of the circle, but we learn up to chord only. So, the remaining you will learn in the higher classes. So, first one is radius, diameter of the circle, center of the circle, circumference of the circle, and chord of the circle. So, let us once go through the definitions. What is the radius? A line segment drawn from the center to any point on the circle is called radius. Radius is singular and radii is plural. All the radii of a circle are equal in length. Next, diameter. A curve which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. And we know the relation between radius and diameter. What is that, ma? Diameter equals to 2 into radius. Next, circumference. The length of the boundary of the circle is called circumference of the circle. What is this one? This is the circumference of the circle. Okay, length of the boundary. Just now we find out now using thread and a circle like that. Next, chord. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. Here what is the chord? PQ is the chord. Okay, children, did you understand how to calculate
Yes, ma'am.
and how to calculate the radius? Okay. Any doubt in this, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Very good. And one more thing. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next class.